My name is Pat Lee. My company name is Pat Lee Electrical Pumps and Engineering. We take on general engineering projects in both electrical and mechanical automation. My company is in 3 divisions. The first division we'll talk about will be the manufacture of stainless steel pressurized cylinders for the renewable energy industry. People like solar panel installers, wood pellet boilers, geothermal, all the renewable energy people use our cylinders. These are the stainless steel pressurized cylinders we manufacture. We're the only people manufacturing this particular kind of cylinder in Ireland, and they're for the domestic renewable energy market. The next side would be our electrical and automation. In that division we take on the controlling of pumping stations, sewage water treatment plants and material handling. Behind me is an industrial robot which we have adapted to work within the animal feed industry. It will pick up these 25 kg bags from the conveyor and palletize them just right here. And our third division will be general engineering. That division will take on prototype machines. If you have a customer who wants something specifically designed and built, we can do that. I started from the garage at the side of my house, which was 1,200 square feet, and I was working there on my own for the first year, and then I took on an electrical apprentice. From then we've grown both the electrical and the mechanical side, and as both sides were growing together, we outgrew the working space in the garage, and we needed for the growth of the business and for health and safety reasons, we needed to bring on a proper facility. So in 1998 we designed and drew up this building, and it's now 7,500 square feet with 12 employees, combining both electrical and mechanical under the one roof. To get from the one-man operation to this takes a lot of hard work and dedication. You have to be very single-minded, focused on, and have a clear vision of what you need and what you want. My vision, my father-in-law, just to take it back a little bit, my father-in-law asked me what would I do if I won the lotto. Back then I said to him that I would buy a site in Lathalir Industrial Estate, build a unit and build robots. That was always my focus, and we have achieved it, but we didn't win the lotto. But we have achieved it, and by hard work and dedication, and with no end of help, I would have to say, from the County Enterprise Board. They've been extremely good in both helping us with start your own business courses, all the way through to mentoring and funding as well. The main challenges back in the beginning were securing good work and collecting of that. The challenges today are no different, but the scale is a lot bigger. The scale is now for 12 people and the 7,500 square foot workshop and the overheads that all brings. Keeping that funded, keeping working capital coming for that. As the business grows, the working capital is extremely important, and keeping that coming in is where it's all at. There's several good things about running your own business. For me, it is the feedback you get from customers when you have a completed project and it's operating properly and it's making a good payback for your customer. That's very good. The other good things is the people who are your employees, and seeing their satisfaction, seeing the smile on their face when their project operates properly, and having projects completed on time and under budget is another very satisfying, very important part as well. That's very satisfying. The worst thing about running your own company is possibly the amount of hours you have to put in. That's one area. It takes a lot of hard work, a lot of dedication and an awful lot of hours. The worst part of all for me is having to let somebody go. I'm afraid if somebody's not carrying on with their job or doing their job properly or not up to the standard that we need, you have to let them go, and I have to take that as being part and parcel of running the business. The best advice I could give somebody starting up their own business would be to do some research first. And once they've identified a need for their business, then the next thing is to secure proper funding. Underfunding is the biggest fatal mistake that you could make. You run out of money before you get successful, and that's fatal. The future for our company is very bright at the moment. All sectors of our business has grown extremely well, and we're very happy with that. Our next step is to build 7,000 square feet onto our existing building, and we see the key to our success is marketing. Proper and smart marketing is always the key to the future.